got it that time. I felt it. Charlie, you in it? You in it? No, there. What? 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 Oh, Charlie, asshole.
I'm just biting the goddamn nose.
He won't.
Rip your ear off.
What? What? You want it? Look at Charlie wants it too.
You don't give me that right now.
No. No. Sit. Sit. Yeah, that's what I thought. Faggot. Charlie, go get the other one. I'm gonna kill you. I'll put this in your eye. You're disgusting. Stop it, you're spitting everywhere, Sarge. Sit down. Sit. Look, he listens and then he's like, fucking want it.
Charlie, trash.
What if Charlie gets it?
You bite his face right now.
Will you eat him?
Look, give him the best thing.
Look, he's like staring at Charlie.
You take that best.
Look at Charlie won't even take it. It's like, ooh. 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 When Sarge walks away, he wants it. Here, Charlie. Here.
The best there.
Here, Charlie. Smells, can you give me the bigger one of these? It's on the... Kevin says it's on the floor.
It's right there. Underneath the thing for the chair.
I'll get you the bigger one, jerk. You'll bite my freaking face off. Here we go, Charlie. No, Sarge, sit. That one's... Give me that one. I want to play with him. This time he can't like really bite my freaking hand off. Do you want it? You want this one to hurt him.
Yeah.
Here.
You want the little one.
I know. Sarge, you're the big one. You're supposed to eat this one.